This community update was brought to you by U Radio. Winnipeggers and other Manitobans can now carry their health card on their phone. The provincial government has officially launched digital health cards, giving residents the option to securely store and present their Manitoba health card through a mobile app. Premier Wab Kinew says the digital health card is the next step in modernizing Manitoba's healthcare system.
The news of the day, we're moving from paper to plastic, and now we're moving from plastic to pixels.
Kinew says the new option makes accessing care easier for families, while improving privacy and safety. He told reporters he tested the digital card himself, explaining that it uses a secure process and includes privacy protections such as a hidden PIN access and a QR code.
So I know there's some nostalgia. Some people like the paper health cards because all your kids are on there. That's fine. Keep it that way. But for everyone else who was thinking, it's time for Manitoba to move into the 1980s technology-wise, well, hey, we brought forward the plastic health card. Now, some could argue we're moving into the 2000s, maybe even the 2020s.
The digital card is available through the Manitoba Wallet app. Health, Seniors, and Long-Term Care Minister Uzoma Azagwara says the launch builds on earlier work to address long-standing delays in the system.
Over 25,000 Manitobans were waiting for health cards when we came into government, and our team worked very, very hard in health to clear that backlog. And they've done incredible work to modernize healthcare in this province, and this is another step.
Azagwara says the digital card offers practical benefits for families, especially parents.
For parents, this step means one less thing that you got to keep track of in your lives. Instead of juggling multiple cards for your kids, you can have them all in one place, right on your phone. If your child gets sick or gets hurt, you don't have to stop and think on your way out the door to the hospital or wherever you're going, the clinic. Did I get the health card? Do I have that health card with me in my wallet?
They also highlighted how the digital option can make a difference during emergencies, including evacuations.
This really does matter in cases of emergencies, maybe during evacuations, including wildfires. We know many communities lived through this past summer. People often had to leave their homes or their settings very quickly without that moment or that opportunity to grab and gather all of their documents. So having access to your health card on your phone makes one small part of an already difficult situation or a health emergency just a little bit easier.
The province is also piloting QR code scanners at several hospitals, allowing healthcare staff to scan digital cards instead of manually entering patient information.
The QR code allows for them to scan it. It's automatically there right on their computer screen so they can keep the process moving quickly. It's faster, it reduces errors, and it means more time doing what healthcare workers want to do and what they do best, and that's focusing on patient care.
One of those healthcare workers is Stephanie Nunez, a nurse at St. Boniface Hospital and a busy mother of two.
When I heard about the digital health card, my first thought was, that would make things actually a lot easier. I'm always trying to remember a million things, and health cards are one of those things you don't think about until you really need them. So being able to have my card and my kid's card on my phone just feels practical, it makes sense, and it's one less thing to keep track of.
From a nursing perspective, Nunez says the technology could also improve efficiency in hospitals.
I know how busy intake areas can be, and if scanning a card means less paperwork and fewer chances for mistakes, that's a win for everyone. As a parent, I'm really looking forward to having this option.
Premier Kinew emphasized that the digital health card is optional.
This is not mandatory. We're not making you get a digital ID. Totally optional. It's up to you. If this is going to make your life easier, get a digital health card. If you prefer the plastic health card, that's still there. And if you just like the paper card, which I only found out today, apparently a lot of people are nostalgic for, you can do that too, I guess. So a bunch of options just to make your life easier.
The government says the digital health card supports upcoming patient safety legislation and is part of a broader plan to modernize Manitoba's healthcare system, including future access to lab results online and a provincial electronic patient record system by 2027. You're listening to U Radio, where diverse voices connect. Stay tuned for more stories and insights that matter. With U Multicultural and the Local Journalism Initiative, I'm Ryan Funk.